Once a stop for travellers on the old Sydney Road, there's a building that has witnessed the town change for more than a century. In 1866, it was built for Samuel Evans, part store, part hotel, known as the Black Bull Hotel. The papers of the day admired it, calling it one of the handsomest buildings in town. It sold the era's essentials: groceries, ironmongery, and of course, wine and spirits, serving locals and travellers alike. In 1881, it changed hands. Taken over by Robert Young, it became a universal store that stocked the everyday life of Kilmore. Over the decades, it has continued to adapt. By the 1930s, and for the next 2 decades, it was the Bluebird Cafe. Then, one business after another as Kilmore progressed. Today, it's worn, honest, not ruined, just waiting. Downstairs, the retail frontage still breathes right in the heart of town. Above, a private residence with character, or an office with presence high above Sydney Street. Properties like this aren't meant to disappear. They're meant to be remade carefully so the next chapter still feels like the same story. History and a future under one roof.